Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna make a mango smoothie with my new portable blender. It looks like this. This is the blade and it has a handle, so I'm able to carry it wherever I go before work or if I go to the park. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Nice. Wow, blended it nice. Wow. Wow, nice. There you go, guys. Look at that. It blended it so nicely. Wow, look at this. This is really good. Plus, it's BPA free. So, guys, the blade did a really good job. I'm very impressed. I liked it. So, let me serve my smoothie. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Fire. Fire. Taste test, taste test. Mmm. Oh, it's fire, guys. So make sure that you guys go order the portable blender if you guys are interested. It's really good. And yeah,